We got a BTR! Get out! Get out!
Team, let's go! Let's go!
Overlord, this is Hunter 2-1, requesting air support. Over.
Hunter 2-1, all air support is already engaged. Additional ground support is en route to your position, but has encountered heavy resistance. Over.
Roger that, Overlord. Be advised, we have encountered enemy armor and are proceeding on foot. Over.
Overlord copies all. Good luck. Out.
Hold your fire. Don't engage that BTR. They haven't acquired it.
I got a visual on the smoke coming from the crash site. That's where Raptor went down.
We're spotted. Ramirez, use your smoke grenade. Done. Cover.
Use the cover of the smoke to run past the BTR into the alley. Incoming! Truck, 12 o'clock!
Take him down!
Вертолет на пути! 30 минут! Вижу его в прицеле!
On me! Go, go, go!
Они хотят отойти!
Ramirez, we're at the crash site. Get over here.
Contact the Burger Town parking lot!
The crash site is on the north side of Nate's restaurant.
Target in 6!
Ramirez, we're at the crash site. Get over here.
I'm moving!
Heads up, ladies. We got trucks to the south. Incoming from the south. 24 plus foot mobiles.
Changing back!
Tango on the roof behind them!
They're using smoke to cover their advance!
Squad, this is Hunter 2-1 actual. Switch to thermal optics if you got it.
Incoming! North side!
Roger that!
We got a foot mobile on the roof of the Burger Town! Contact to the north!
Team, we got contacts to the north. Team, shift your fire north.
They're laying down smoke screen to the north.
Roger. Switch to thermal if you got it.
Our perimeter is breached. Enemies on the roof.
Looks like Ivan's had enough. Corporal Dunn, give me a sitrep on Raptor. Over.
Raptor is secure and stable.
Roger that. Everyone, check your weapons and ammo. They'll be back. 2-1 Delta, be advised. 2 BTRs coming in from the north.
Roger that. What the hell was that? I have a visual on an enemy UAV operator remote piloting those missiles. He's inside that diner to the west, over.
Ramirez, get over there and kill that SOB. I'm sending part of the squad to help you out. Go.
On an enemy UAV operator remote piloting those missiles. He's inside that diner to the west, over.
Ramirez, get over there and kill that SOB. I'm sending part of the squad to help you out. Go. Get behind something solid. That BTR's got you in his sight.
Incoming! Back door! Target by the taxi!
Nice work, team. Regroup over here. Enemy fast movers! Take cover!
Actual, you still there?
Roger that. Everyone, listen up. New plan. Ramirez, take your team and secure the Burger Town. We're going to move Raptor over there. This location has been compromised. Everyone else, listen up. We're moving Raptor ASAP. Stack up by the south entrance of States. We need to get the hell out of this building before those fast movers make another pass.
We got tangos deployed!
Находимся под плотным огнем противника! Прошу бомбовый удар! В квадрат 2, 5, 2, 7!
Squad, be advised. We're gonna move Raptor from Nates to the Burger Town as a group. On 3! 1, 2, 3! Go, go, go! Keep these guys off of me!
Tango down.
Squad, I've made it to the Burger Town meat locker. Raptor is inside and secure. The door is shut. You guys keep Ivan out. Friendly convoy is Oscar Mike.
Hunter 2-1, be advised, 15 plus enemy foot mobiles approaching north of your location, over.
Ramirez! We got hostiles! Use your predator drone control rig to protect Raptor!
That's a direct hit, Hunter 2-1. Keep up the fire.
I got targets!
Good kills, Hunter 2-1. Good kills.
I'm out! Changing mag! Changing mag!
That's a direct hit, Hunter 2-1. Keep up the fire.
Ricky! Tango! Near the
Hunter 2-1, Hunter 4 has a visual on a hostile group near the Nova gas station, over.
Ramirez! We got hostiles! Use your predator drone control rig to protect Raptor!
10 plus KIAs. Good hit, good hit. 5 plus confirmed kills. Nice work, Hunter 2-1. Be advised, Hunter 2-1, you have an enemy patrol by that bank to the north. Over.
Contact, 11 o'clock.
Someone just took out our predator!
Good kills, Hunter 2-1. Good kills.
Be advised! The Predator is offline! I repeat, the Predator is offline!
AGMs are offline. Hunter 2-1, this is Overlord. We got a visual on a pair of enemy attack helicopters headed for your area. Over.
Solid copy, Overlord. Team, Take down that helicopter! Go! Team! I saw a Stinger missile in that diner to the west.
AGMs are offline. Hunter 2-1, this is Overlord. We got a visual on a pair of enemy attack helicopters headed for your area. Over.
Solid copy, Overlord. Team, take down that helicopter. Go! Team, I saw a Stinger missile in that diner to the west. Nice work. That heli is down.
Hunter 2-1, relay from Goliath 2. Enemy reinforcements approaching from the west. Over. Hunter 2-1, relay from Goliath 1. You got an enemy helicopter loaded for bear approaching your area. Over.
Eyes up! Enemy gunship coming in hot! The second helo just showed up. Take it down! Team! I saw a Stinger missile in that diner to the west. Nice work. That heli is down. The convoy's here. Everyone on me. We're getting the hell out of here. Let's go! Let's go! Ramirez, the convoy is just to the south of Burgertown. Get your ass over here. Move! Ramirez, we gotta get back to the convoy. Let's go!
Hunter 2-1, this is Overlord. Give me a sit rep. Over.
Overlord, Hunter 2-1, be advised. Precious cargo is secure. Repeat, precious cargo is secure. For Oscar Mike.
Overlord copies all. Good job. Out.
Squad, we still got two...